सो ऐसा कोई सिटीज डेटा जो आपको बता रहा हो, कुछ ऐसी सिटीज जो आपको लग रहा है कि इन नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 years उन वो आगे निकल जाएंगे, और कुछ ऐसी सिटीज जो पीछे रह जाएंगी बिकॉज ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर?
आप अपनी टॉप 8 मेट्रोज में भी देखिए, देर आर सम सिटीज विच आर द सीट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी
ओके।
and infrastructure and doing well, and the others are not. Case in point, if I talk about Delhi NCR, Hyderabad,
हम्म।
Hyderabad around 6-7 years back used to be fifth, sixth in terms of, let's say, the office space absorption,
ओके।
right? It used, this whole story was Bangalore and
या।
Mumbai.
ओके।
Hyderabad was fourth or fifth. Now, last 4-5 years में Hyderabad has picked up significantly that it is at par with Delhi NCR
या।
today in terms of office leasing, right?
एंड पुणे ऑल्सो।
And Pune as well.
या।
Pune more so, not so robust, but the story has always been Delhi, Bombay, and Bangalore.
ओके।
And Hyderabad now has come as a shining star. Also because the infrastructure, the policy push, and as a good alternate to Bangalore, we've seen many companies are also moving to Hyderabad,
यस।
setting up shop there, is because of the infrastructure, which is not, I wouldn't say crumbling, but is not so supportive in Bangalore right now,
एग्री।
right? So इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की डेवलपमेंट के बेसिस पे सिटीज भी मूव करेंगी going forward, and if you don't take care of your infrastructure, don't rebuild as per the current population and the demand, uh, it needs to be very timely, quick decisions, right? Then even the economic anchors would move away.
एग्री।
बाकी अगर हम टियर 2 सिटीज की बात करें, देन जयपुर, कोची,
ओके।
लखनऊ, and Chandigarh, because Chandigarh is like the entrance point, to Himachal, that side of the area.
हिमाचल, पंजाब।
Punjab, Haryana.
या।
So Chandigarh नहीं बोलूंगी मैं, because Chandigarh is landlocked, but Chandigarh Tri-City.
ट्राई सिटी।
Mohali, you see currently there's a lot of development happening in Mohali. The price points for some residential match your golf course extension prices.
रियली?
Yes, so
तो वहां पे भी डबल ट्रिपल हो गए हैं?
हो गए हैं. I mean,
Okay.
कोविड के बाद, एंड ये हमने ना और भी सिटीज में देखा था, कोविड के बाद टियर 2 सिटीज में स्पेसिफिकली आपका ये मोहाली साइड हो गया, वाइजैग साइड हो गया, प्राइजेस have gone up. And why? Because let's say a lot of NRI investment was coming in specifically in Mohali, and जो fringe areas पे रह रहे हैं पंजाब के, they wanted to have again airport connectivity.
Yes.
So international flights started from the Mohali airport, right? The Chandigarh airport, but it is in Mohali.
It is in Mohali.
तो उसकी वजह से आप देखिए रेजिडेंशियल के ऊपर कितना इम्पैक्ट पड़ा है ऑन द प्राइसिंग अराउंड द एयरपोर्ट रोड. सो अगेन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डज लीड टू द पुश ऑफ रियल एस्टेट.
बट एक 10 year जर्नी कैसी रही है रियल एस्टेट की इन द डेटा फॉर्म?
प्री कोविड.
हाँ, प्री कोविड मतलब 2015 से लेके 25, अगर हम एक 10 year का देखें तो कैसा रहा है रियल एस्टेट?
रेरा के पहले बात करें तो we know the market was very tainted, right? Developer defaults, projects not completing, home buyer was not trusting the market, and returns were also, not happening.
Yes.
Bring in RERA, a lot of transparency came into the market, sudden straitjacketing, structural shift in doing business came into the market. इसको अगर डेटा के हिसाब से देखें तो if I draw a graph and I see the investment, private equity investment that came in what period.
Okay.
So alone after RERA, we saw around 26 billion US dollars coming into the market, which was much more than what happened before and what has happened post 2020 as well.
अच्छा.
So that transparency kicked in, and उसके बाद Gaurav, around 2019, market was slightly picking up. You would agree with me, right? But COVID came in. So COVID तो किसी का कोई policy shift नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. That was a pandemic that hit us. So 2019 अगर हम देखें, 2019 में market till about the last quarter had started to show a
Positive
recovery,
signs, yes.
right? So if my graph was going and there was a dip in RERA and then demonetization, it started going up.
Yes.
And around 2019, we saw that early green shoots of recovery.
Okay.
But then we were hit by the pandemic. Now, these years of pandemic, of course, like I said, pent up demand, structural shift हुए हैं, developers का भी एक काम करने का तरीका बदल गया है,
कंसोलिडेशन हो गई,
एंड मार्केट में बायर प्रोफाइल एंड बायर वांट्स भी चेंज हो गए हैं.
अच्छा,
10 साल पहले आप we were talking about compact houses,
yeah,
right? We were saying that छोटे घर अब people want. Post COVID, that structural shift in demand has come that people don't want compact houses now. They want a bigger house. So we did this study and we saw that across the cities and the tier 2 cities, 2.5, that
Okay.
is 2 bedroom, छोटा अगर मैं configuration देखूं तो 2.5, that's 2 bedroom and a study.
okay,
Post COVID was a preferred configuration.
अच्छा,
3.5. If you were living in a 2 bedroom, you would want to move to a 3 bedroom.
एक एक्स्ट्रा रूम,
एक एक्स्ट्रा रूम चाहिए आपके, या तो आपके पेरेंट्स आपके साथ रह रहे हैं या
Yeah.
फिर आपका होम ऑफिस है. If the kids are having online classes, which is very normal to have now,
yeah,
right? So you need a separate room. So compact से story change हो गई.
okay,
Previously, there was no emphasis on gated communities. Post COVID, super emphasis on gated communities
अच्छा,
and community living. Now, this is just not a fad of tier 1 cities. We've seen that in tier 2 cities as well.
oh really,
जो जैसे लखनऊ, we were talking, then Vizag specifically, I would say Kochi. People want all the amenities and facilities जो उनको tier 1 cities में मिल रहा है.
अच्छा, okay,
So, because let's say I'm from Vizag, I go back to my hometown, I've seen everything in the metro, I create that demand in the tier 2 city
अच्छा,
for residential, for retail. I'm asking the developer that this is what I want now. We want to stay in a high rise. Then lifestyle shift. Home is just not something that you are going to stay char diwari. There's a concept of lifestyle upgrade now.
okay,
And when you're moving towards, let's say, a society, gated community along with safety, security, amenities, ये सब तो है ही.
clubhouse,
Club
swimming
house.
pool, gym, अब
This
सबको
is basic
चाहिए,
hygiene.
yeah,
This is basic hygiene. What more? So communities are now becoming engineered ecosystems.
पहले क्या होता था, हमारे पास जितनी डिमांड आती थी सब 2 बेडरूम की ज़्यादा डिमांड होती थी. और जब भी कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च होता था 2 बेडरूम वाज द फास्टेस्ट सेलिंग.
Fastest selling. I agree.
इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए भी, इवन फॉर द होम बायर्स आल्सो, एवरीबडी सेड कि यार छोटा घर ठीक है, बड़ा क्या करना है. आज कंप्लीटली उल्टा है. आज 2 बेडरूम के कोई न्यू लॉन्चेस हो ही नहीं रहे हैं.
नहीं हो रहे हैं.
अब जितने भी लॉन्चेस हैं 3 बेडरूम, 4 बेडरूम, 5 बेडरूम,
5 bedroom.
एंड यू विल फाइंड दैट पेंट हाउसेज आर द फास्टेस्ट सेलिंग.
Right.
अभी क्या हो रहा है प्रिवाना में, इवन जितने भी आर्बर में, यू विल सी दैट सबसे पहले पेंट हाउसेज बिक रहे हैं. तो वो स्ट्रक्चरल शिफ्ट हुआ है.